Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. One thing you want to remember when you're measuring out your swing foundation is to ensure that from the outside of the swing you've got more than 600 millimeters, and then in between, if you're doing two swings, you've got more than 900 millimeters between them. When you're working with metal, you want to make sure that you put some red oxide or anti-rust coating on all of those metal pieces. You don't want them getting all rusted out, especially underneath the ground, where you can cause a lot of, where you won't be able to see the damage that's being done by the rust. So before you know it, it'll eat away at your metal and your piece will be falling to pieces. Try and use some kids to act as your testers. And you got to get the kids in to make sure that their heights are right for your swings. Depending on the age groups, you want some that are going to be lower to the ground so the little kiddies can get in there. Also for the slightly taller kids, and that they would be able to sit in there without like banging their feet against the ground. Use them to test it, make it a lot of fun. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.